Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made fried fish for dinner. Fried fish is my bread. So how are you today? I hope all is well. And there's like this bread. Here's my fish here. It's fresh out the grease. Might still see it. Yeah, see that steam? Woo! And then seasoned to perfection. Hold on while I get some paper towel. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Before we get started, let's say prayer. Amen, 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 amen. And I also made me some homemade coleslaw. Homemade, y'all. Got a little lemonade here. So how are you today on this Tuesday? My hot sauce. Coleslaw. Dripping. Look at that drip. Ooh. At work, I guess because the kids about to get out of school, a little off the chain. I'm hungry too, y'all. Excuse the noise in the back. Everybody want to cut grass today. It's so beautiful out there, but overnight we had a lot of rain. Ain't nothing like fish and bread. So, I just stepped in, said hello. Haven't heard from you guys in a while. So, I thank you for watching and enjoying me and my fish dinner. And bye-bye for now. Bye, guys.